Hey, what's up? I'm going to teach you the song Righteous, and then you're going to subscribe to my channel right here. Capo on 1, you want your middle finger on 5 on the first string, and the 3rd and 4th string, you're going to have your ring and your pinky also on 5. Second chord, pointer finger on 3, leave your ring and pinky there. And then you're going to just take your pointer finger off and play it open. And then the turnaround is, it's keep a power chord shape like this, but only pluck the 4th in the 2nd string here. Like an octave. So it goes. And then the my demons part goes like. My demons and me. So yeah, you just keep your ring and your pinky on the 5th fret of the 4th and 5th strings the whole time, and then you just go, the bass part I guess goes, so 5th fret on the 2nd string, and then open E, and then 5th fret on the 1st string, move it down to the 3rd fret.